Alright guys, got a quick little update video for you. Been messing around with the lathe today. Got that better style, the wedge quick change tool post. So definitely did a better job modifying that blank to fit this lathe. So instead of milling the slots with that milling attachment like I did on the first one, I just threw it in this quick change tool post holder and milled it in there. So came out a little nicer on me, second go around. But I just wanted to share a little update with you. I just about got this thing dialed in. I just got to get pick up some round stock so I can make some mandrels before I can start decking some cylinders. But that's part two now that this thing's just about all dialed in. I got to give another thanks to Mr. Pete. I've been watching all his videos, like shop tips number 224 is a great video for these quick change gears. So I just need one more bushing and a T-bolt for the third gear set. But we'll see how it ends up working. I'll be on the slowest feed that it's possible on this chart. So we'll see how that works out. If not, probably do some type of stepper motor, or maybe just a cheap wiper motor, since probably not cutting a ton of threads. It's mainly doing cylinder work, but just a little bit at a time. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.